Oh, good afternoon, brother. I am here in Los Angeles, California. This is David De Los Reyes to discuss the the topics on my channel and is it making any good for YouTubers? Like my first topic on my channel is actually the subject matter differential calculus. I finished already the subject matter differential calculus. I think all the needed things under differential calculus are done. So it's up to you guys if you appreciate what I've been doing. But it seems other YouTubers don't seem to uh, watch my contents. Uh, I am now on the integral calculus topic, and the good thing about it, I am now on the application of integral calculus. We are now, or I am now in the derivation of areas for derivation of areas, irregular areas and regular areas. So, as in general formula for taking an irregular area, we could actually uh, apply this one to the regular areas. Like in the computation for the area of a circle, a square, or a right triangle, actually those were derived from the differential area for irregular curves. Those are only special cases. So to be more general in our application in the plane areas, we'll go with the irregular thing. So if we are solving a problem that is a special case, we could actually bring out the required formula for the area. The first requirement under my calculus topic is that a YouTuber should familiarize himself with all the integration techniques because when we go to the application problems, okay, if so good in the integration of or evaluation of integration problems, you will be lost. Also, the requirement is your knowledge of lower mathematics, like on analytic geometry, mm, and the simplification. It's algebra. So actually, algebra is very important because the integration and the differentiation process is just so small, and the amount of time in the solution is actually uh, uh, concentrated on the so-called simplification. So if you don't know nothing on the simplification, okay, the correct simplification, you will not arrive at the correct answer. So actually, differential and integral calculus plus differential equation, the needed things are actually the basic mathematics, algebra and trigonometry. Much more on algebra. Plus, of course, analytic geometry. Because in integral calculus, if you cannot figure out your uh, your equation on the Cartesian coordinate system, you will be lost. You're done. It is something like that. On my short videos, I got some topics. posted on my short videos. I have posted some, what do you call this, electronic gadgets, electronic troubleshooting, some survival equipment, plus some gardening topics and outing topics. Uh, so as you can see it on my short videos, it's a mix of things. That will just arouse your curiosity for you to watch it. Okay, that's why on the topic under my channel I place it mathematics, okay, electronics, troubleshooting, gardening, some survival things, and outing outing videos. Because once in a while, guys, we must have to relax also. Like right now, I've got almost 200 plus videos, and it takes lots of time to produce these videos. I think I have improved a little bit on the class of my writings on my magnetic board by placing my magnetic board in the correct position such that the light will not interact with the writing on the board. So the writing on the magnetic board should be visible to ordinary YouTubers using cell phones. But I assure you guys, if you are using a laptop or a desktop computer and watching my videos, you could actually enlarge it and it seems you are in front of me. Okay? So actually every move I made on the magnetic board, okay, you can see it on the simplification as I tried to explain it. You can see it using a laptop or a desktop computer. But for those YouTubers or just simply those watching guys using cell phones, uh, if your cell phones is one of the latest ones, I think the video thing will be a very good one. That's the audio thing. Like mine, guys. To tell you the truth, I'm just using an S5 Samsung Galaxy. I haven't bought yet the one of the latest Samsung Galaxy cell phones, you know. So once in a while I'm doing my video recording, I try to maximize my display brightness. So the video on the magnetic board will be as visible as it can be to YouTubers. uh, I place the volume maybe 90% thing. So, because if your volume is not so loud, at least you can compensate for the other things, Like if my video now is not so good and my sound is not so loud, there's a problem. So I will try to compensate for that one by placing my volume up to 90%. What I've been doing on my lecture and my videos are actually a fruitful experience of years of teaching. What I've been writing on the board, I've been done before. So there's no magic in it. So actually, as I lecture you, every move I explain it. There's no magic on it. I don't mind others giving lectures in short videos and the views are in the thousands. Uh, because my main goal in here is that if you are really serious in calculus, like differential and integral calculus, the next one will be differential equation. I think this best option will be to watch a complete lecture on it, not just only a small thing, to make you agitated. Because in here, if you are taking an engineering course or something related to science, what I've been doing in my lectures are actually the best ones. There's no magic in it. There's no magic. I could also do some very small videos to make you excited, but that's not my forte. So actually, my main goal is for educating for those who are trying to take science courses like engineering. Because to brag you a little bit about it, I got a student before who was a retired U.S. Navy, okay, and who now works at NASA, NASA, NASA in Florida. And he told me that the foundation of all the softwares they are using there is actually higher mathematics. And the past 2 days, he gave me or he sent me a picture of him in front of the NASA space station. Just to mention to you guys that higher mathematics is actually very important. In my latest work before I retired, we got a client with Boeing companies. So I in the design of airplanes under Boeing, uh, we use higher mathematics in there. Like what the reason why the curve of the body of the airplane documents while I was at work. It's not the top secret document. It's just some aspects on how the engineers at Boeing design airplanes by using higher mathematics. Very important. Higher mathematics is very important. Even in the what you call this practical sense, mathematics, you could use it. Mm, or how to touch something with using your multitesters. It is actually a very helpful thing to us. That's why my main topic on my channel is accounting. But mostly on my lecture, it is mathematics plus electronics because I've got a shop here before in the USA, and so what I've been done, you must have to use some microscope to see the terminals not touching each other while you are soldering something like that. So actually, the one that could is actually troubleshooting. Even on the hands-on on the soldering, okay,